Welcome to Dosage Calculations for Nursing Students. I'm the Nursing PhD. One thing that I have noticed consistently for nursing students is that they tend to struggle with dosage calculation questions, and regardless of the college or university that they attend, one thing that I know for sure is that their curriculum will include dosage calculation questions, and that they will probably have to pass a med-math exam at the beginning of each new semester. Incorporating dosage calculation practice questions will be essential for getting through nursing school. Let's go through a basic dosage calculation question using both the formula method and also the ratio proportion method. So the medication prescription is for Demerol 75 milligrams intramuscular as needed. And available, we have Demerol 50 milligrams per milliliter. How many milliliters should the nurse administer to the patient? So first, let's start with our setup. So for formula method, we use desired over have times volume, which you can see here as D over H times V. Desired is the 75 milligrams. That was what was prescribed. Have is what we have available, which is 50 milligrams. And then the volume is basically how many milliliters are available, which is the 50 milligrams per 1 ml. So what we're going to need to do is to divide 50 into 75. So we know that 50 can go into 75 at least one time. So we'll put a 1 there at the top. And then when we multiply the 1 by 50, that gives us 50, which we're going to subtract. That gives us 25. And of course, if we want to continue dividing, we're going to go ahead and add a decimal behind the 75 and put a 0 there. So that way we can divide further. So we know that 50 will go into 750 5 times. And that goes equally, and then that just leaves us with an answer of 1.5. So now we can multiply that by 1 milliliter, which will give us 1.5 ml. We don't really have to multiply by the 1 ml because we know anything that we multiply by 1 will equal itself. Now let's solve that same problem using the ratio proportion method. So what we'll do is we will set up what we know. We know that what we have available is 50 milligrams per 1 ml. And what we're trying to find is how many mLs will give us 75 milligrams. Now all we have left to do is cross multiply. So 50 times x will give us 50x, and 75 times 1 will give us 75. Now we solve for x. So 50 divided into 50 will just leave us with x, and then 50 divided into 75 will set up our division problem like we did previously, and we know that that left us with 1.5. And so our answer again is 1.5 mLs. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please comment below and also let me know what other dosage calculation content you would like to see. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be the first to know when I post new content. Until next time.